bumpy. Everything's bent over and covered in snow. Looks good though, doesn't it? Looks nice.
Yeah.
Hopefully tomorrow it'll all be gone. It's amazing the difference. There's probably half as much snow down here than where we just were where the cows were. I don't know how much elevation changes, but quite a bit.
I don't know why there's snow.
Got some sticks down everywhere. Got a stick down here that wasn't there before.
I don't know.
Can't even get out of the driveway. Spring will be here. Good morning. It's April 12th and it's a blizzard. Luckily I brought this bale up the other day. Because we were not expecting this. Or at least I wasn't. Maybe. I guess they were calling for snow. I just didn't really believe them. So we got 3-4 inches up here. Everyone's still here. So I got to give them a bale because they're a little hungry. I would have, if I'd known this, I would have just put that bale out yesterday with a bale ring. But I just did not believe that we were going to get snow. So the calves are here somewhere. I saw them. I don't know where they are now. And interestingly enough, probably 100 feet from the cows, a coyote was in there and he ran off. So I don't know what he was doing. But the calves are still here, so he might have just been looking for voles or something. I doubt he would. It was just one. But hey, there's a little guy. There they both are. They probably don't know what the hell's going on, those little calves. So cows really aren't, they're not even bellowing at me or anything. So I got to unroll half this bale for them, and then I got to go around my perimeter fence here. These blue posts, so they're real flexible. So there's no snow on the wire here. I really don't know why, but down there the fence is bent way down. It's on the ground, so I got to go around and just knock all the snow off. Not that they'll get out, because they won't bother getting out if they got the hay in here, but these posts, if they get bent, they'll kind of like stay formed like that, so don't want that to happen. So I got to put this in. She's over here eating snow. She loves snow. I got you. I caught you. You were eating snow. All right. I got to do this or unroll this for them, and then I'll maybe take a little video after that. Okay, cows are fed. They'll be good for at least a day and a half. It's 8 o'clock right now. It's supposed to stop snowing, I think around 10. So when I went out about an hour ago, it really wasn't snowing much at all, but picking back up. So hopefully we don't get too much more. Yeah, I gotta go find my daughter. But everything looks good here. So turn this fence on here so they don't just step on all over the hay. Hey, what are you doing down there? I said, what are you doing down there? Out the afternoon, just checking on them. They were way down. I think they were down getting minerals. It had to be it. I don't know what else. There's a mineral feeder. You can't see it there. There we go. They had to be going there. Come on, Bart. Better go feed them. Come on, girl. But they don't. The calves were out there. I just started taking this video because the calves were running. They were cute. They look like they're having a good old time. But of course, now they're walking. Snow melted down a little bit, but still got quite a bit up here. Hey, they got fog's rolling in over there. Good sign, means that the snow's melted. It's about 37, 35 out. I don't think it's going to be below freezing today either. Fog will be 50. Gone tomorrow. Call them cows up. Oh, there they are.
Come on!
Come on, cows! Come on!
The baby.
So cute.
He's confused who her mama is.
Look at that little one, man. She's so small.
Yeah.
All right.
He's
Well, let me get these guys fed.
He's smaller even.
Calves are venturing out. There they go. They're having fun together.
Go, go, go!
Cute. When they stand. Ma's yelling now. There they go. When they stand side by side, that female's definitely a lot smaller. I really should weigh her. She's probably 40 pounds. She's so cute. Look at her. Oh, you're not, Mom. Where's Mom?
Slow.
Sure. Give me a minute. Wanted to get them a video here running around. Ah! What happened? You okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
I fell.
Still got a lot here, so that's good. I've been laying on it, obviously, but still at least another. Tomorrow night, I'll probably have to roll that out, roll the rest of that bale out. I'll give them about half, and then I can roll that out just by hand. I can push it down the hill, but I give them about half at a time. That way, it just seems to make it last, not have as much waste. So, and then this wire seems to help decent. You know, once they pull it back, they can still lay on it, but tends to, when it's dry, tends to help better. When it's wet like this, they want to lay on it, you know. So I think that'll be about it. So thanks for watching.